Hello guys. Hello guys, hello. Today we have like funds rate, so it might be a bit ugly from market perspective. Oh, okay. Hello guys, hello. Hello guys, hello. So today we're gonna like trade mostly German 40. Don't forget to like stream. Right now over like 100 people watching us across like all platforms. I'm happy to see these numbers. Anyway, so join stream. So like, what we're gonna do right now, or specifically on German 40, you're gonna wait for open range formation. It's first 15 minutes. So right now it's just like 10 more minutes. We don't have major news until evening. Yeah, we don't have any news. We have a FOMC statement, federal funds rate, and press conference 30 minutes later. But it's gonna be like in New York PM session. So overall, nothing special. Regardless, German 40, I'm waiting for some sort of pullback, maybe manipulation, and then move high to all-time high. Regardless gold. For gold, I have to look at like 4 hours. It might be small correction, but overall I'm expecting price to go to all-time high once again, or to at least like 2-4 hours order blocks that we have a bit higher. So maybe we will see move till 3,150 and then move upwards. But once again, we have rates today and market can be ugly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be happy to answer your questions. And if you have any tickers you want me to check, feel free to join and ask me any questions you like on any tickers. Most likely I'm gonna trade German 40 this London session and Nasdaq. I don't know like about Euro. I don't like price action like today on it. Let's see. Also, guys, we're streaming for New York session. For New York session, we stream. You can check link below in the description. For New York session, I stream in our Discord channel, not on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss it, feel free to join it. Link down below. How much money should I require to join prop firm? So the cheapest prop firm, and like I'm talking about like legit prop firms, right? Like a 5 years, like Fund Peeps, Fund It Next. It's like for European market, like Top Step. Around like $30, like $40. So I think like I have a friend, I'm helping him with trading right now, and he just like bought 5k account and he on second phase right now. So with baby steps you can scale extremely fast within like 4 months up to like 100k. So just buy a 5k account, like trade on it, make like 10% profit on the funded stage, and you will be able to buy 100k account. So it's easy to scale. Do you trade US30? Yes, Lamola, I trade US30. Yesterday we had trade on US30. Let me show you. So it's this is like futures on Dow Jones. Yesterday, if you've been watching my stream in our Discord channel, link for it below in the description, I've been opening long position here, yeah, around like this level. This was my stop, this was my take. It was quick one-to-one trade. I could have held it a bit longer, all the way to this liquidity, to this level. But it was a quick one-to-one trade. I already had like 2% profit, so I decided to do a quick cut, and within like 3 minutes it hit my take profit. So like I trade mostly US indexes like Nasdaq, usually futures on Nasdaq, or spot, depends on what prime firm I'm using. And I trade 1 second. And I trade euro and gold. I rarely trade cryptocurrency. I traded only a couple times probably since the beginning of the year. I don't trade like some exotic pairs for Forex. Yeah, sometimes I trade like Euro GPY, sometimes, if it has nice price action, but overall no. I'm beginner, I want to study, give me a few steps. Paper trade, don't, like just like paper trade. For first like 3-4 months, like a profitable, then just start with like small amount, like $50, and risk like the minimum you can, like 0.01 lot or something like this. Stick like to one instrument, maybe 2 instruments like maximum. Don't try to look at multiple markets. Like, more experience you have, more instruments you can work. I've been trading for more than 10 years. It's almost 12 years so far. And yeah, I can work like multiple instruments, and also because I'm streaming and a lot of folks are asking about gold, about Forex market, crypto. I included in my like daily analysis, but overall I trade, if I check my journal, I trade only like few like German 40, Nasdaq and Euro. That's it. Rarely I trade gold. I trade gold like swing trades, so I won't be able to show you my trades on the stream because it usually takes more than 3 hours. Well, for Webull, I don't think there are like any prop firms that allow you to trade on Webull. So screenshots that you see, it's for my clients' accounts. So I have like some clients like that. I manage money on their accounts, and I was able to ask them to provide like some screenshots with a profit. So, but as you can see, it's from 2023. Right now I'm focusing more on like small gains, like 2-3k. My biggest profit for the past from the beginning of the year is 16k on gold trade. Rahil, there are like two streams. If you go to stream section, you can see vertical stream and you can see like horizontal one. Just pick one that doesn't says like vertical in its name. And Goku, regardless beginner, hello offshore. I highly recommend you set rules like for you. So you, let me check also time. Okay, 15 minutes. 1 second. Set of rules that you have, like you don't trade more than like 2 trades a session. Also, always risk the same amount. So no matter what, you should lose like same amount every single time, or like near the same. For example, if I have $50,000 on my account and I risk in 1%, I can't lose more than $500 in one trade. That's simple. Because if you it's just like simple math, like you gonna lose, you have to accept it. In trading you're gonna lose no matter what, and because of it you have to minimize your risks, minimize your like losses and maximize your gains. The best traders on a long distance, they have around like 50-60% win rate. It's just simple math, but they have around like 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward on trade. So if I risk in like $1 on a trade, I would love to get at least like $1 back or $2 back, ideally. If I won't get it, well, I'm gonna lose. With 1 to 2 risk reward, you have to be right, if I'm not mistaken, like 33% of the time. With 1 to 1 risk reward, 50% of the time. With 1 to 4, 25% of the time. So like, just to be at break even. Imagine you're catching like 1 to 2 trades and you ride like 60% of the time. You're profitable. And don't look at the trading at like short distance, like 1, 2, 3 weeks. No, it's like at least like 1-2 years. Like, I've been streaming on Flux Chart for like 10 months, and on like 10 months I've been profitable every single week. So I didn't have a single negative week. But yes, I had negative days. It's completely fine to have them. Like, my biggest loss was like 4%. It's like 4 trades in a row I can see in a day, so like minus 4%. My best return around like 28 or like 32%. And November 2024 I ended up like with 80% profit in 1 month. So it's just math. That's it. This is like price action to look in. We also have this one. This is SFX Algo. This is indicator that shows you buy and sell signals. You can check link below in the description. It's fluxchart.com, and on this website you can use code Flux15 to get 15% discount. Also, we have a back tester like this. This back tester like allows you to test strategies. It's kind of useful tool, but it's like it's our super premium product. I'm usually use price action toolkit, and sometimes I use SFX Algo. SFX Algo is nice. I like it. But you can blindly follow indicator. You also have to use like other confirmations, like trend. You have to follow trend, liquidity sweeps. If you just like follow the trend and like global trend and see liquidity sweeps, like session sweeps, times like previous daily high lows, like weekly high lows, monthly high lows, like daily open, weekly open, monthly open levels, then you can see. One sec. You will see great results. I'm new to trading and deposited $500. Do you think I have a chance to blow your account? Yes, you have a chance. I have no idea. I'm all-time loser, bro. Please help me. Don't trade. Backtest. Trade on the paper. Why do you want to trade like for real money, like Mr. Sakir Islam? Why want to trade for real money if you like losing all the time? Can you please tell me? Can you tell me please? If you're losing all the time, then you're doing something wrong. I can bet, Mr. Sakir Islam, you don't have a journal. You overtrade, and you don't have consistency in your trading. Like 100%. 100%. shock and awe. Like, I would recommend you for this like $500 buy subscription for like TradingView, like essential or like premium, probably essential for like 1 year, or Forex replay, something like this, and just like do back tests. Train. Don't trade it for like real money. Put this money aside. It probably will cost you around like $100 like for everything. Then open broker account or buy like prop firm, like any like cheapest account, and risk like 0.1% on the trade, 0.2%. For you right now, it's not important to make money. For you, like the most important thing that you have to do is not to lose money, and you have to be consistent. Ideally, like open account with 5 years, because they don't have time limit or like any prop firm like from Europe. If you're not from Europe, if you're from States, just open account on any broker of your choice, any broker at all, like any Forex broker or like any broker that allows you to trade SFD. It's like spot Nasdaq, or like spot S&P 500, and so on and so on. Don't try to like trade all in on like, and stick to like 1 or maybe 2 instruments. Depends on where you live. If you're from Asian market, like try to pick like some pairs that are more volatile in Asian sessions, such as Audi USD, New Zealand dollar USD, any GPY pairs like for Forex market. For indexes, Japanese index like kind of nice. Then also gold is extremely volatile during Asian session, usually on London it's consolidated. And don't trade crypto. Crypto made for like investment, like it's like more like investment. It's nothing to do with speculation, because what is crypto daily volume, like 50 billion or so. It's like nothing compared like to stock market and compared to Forex market. Hello, look away. Hello. Once again, shock and awe. Like it depends what you trade. And the most important thing that I learned over the years, that you're gonna have like trading opportunity anytime. You're not obligated to catch every single trade. It's that simple. You're welcome, you're welcome. Right here, I told you everything. Like, you know better than anyone. You're gonna keep losing until you have a system. Until you have like discipline and consistency. You know, like sometimes I'm going into rush and blowing some accounts, and I usually do it with 50 like $100 just to drop a stream. I found a way to get rid of this desire that I have sometimes to gamble. But it's like me. Trading, it's more working with yourself, with your desires, with your like problems. If you're sick, for example, if you're not feeling well, you had argued with your wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, just don't trade. If you're tired, don't trade. And Q. So if we're not talking about like rate decision, right? I'm not talking about this. We got reaction from this long points, like 4 hours for fair value gap. Also, we took liquidity from this equal loss. If you've been watching streams, RPG, if you've been watching streams, you saw that I marked the zone. I said the price most likely will get there. We took this low, great. Next target gonna be like opposite liquidity. First opposite liquidity gonna be this one, but most likely external liquidity is this one. It's a buy side liquidity, right? So it's previous weekly high. Unless we're gonna have decision. So if American Central Bank will increase rates, or like will be some statements and they won't decrease like rates this year and will be conservative like next year because of like White House like decisions, etc., then market can just drop. Today is like super important, but I think we will pump here and then dive, or maybe even go like higher to this high. I don't know, like we'll see, because once again it might be a range here based on volume profile, right? Based on volume profile, like majority volume on like on the bottom, so most likely if we're talking about like volume spread analysis, most likely price will keep going high here, because you see like how like majority of the volume been consolidating on the below like 50%. Here's this yellow line, yellow and green line. Yeah, we have like some volume, but if it would have been range, volume would have been like in the middle. But we'll see. For now, I prefer just to watch. Maybe scalp on gold. But London session is not that great for gold. Talking of, like, you can use like any strategy, like you can even like toss a coin. It's not only like strategy is not that important. It's like a combination of strategy, risk management, and discipline. I showed like couple weeks ago, no, not couple weeks, probably like 4 or 5 weeks ago, I showed I had a 100k account with funny traders, scam prop firm, don't recommend it. They didn't pay me like $12,000. they rejected to pay me like 2 times, and third time they just like breached my account, which is some false, with some fake rule. Anyway, so I risked like 1k. I've been using like $5 stop, $15 stake on a gold trade. Within 3 days, I made 6k profit. Just like following the trend, $5 stop, $15 stake. Random opening, like I see like downtrend, I see like small bounce, I'm opening short in premium. With target $15, stop $5. First day I ended up like with 1k profit, second day like it was 2, third day 3k, something like this. So within like 3 days I ended up with 6k profit with 1k risk. It's just like power of risk management, and just like simple strategy. Is this fun and peeps, or how much risk on like fun? And I have like right now my majority of my accounts on 5 years funded next. I have 2 accounts on fun and peeps, but I don't like them because they pay, but spreads, slippages, and some hidden rules, extremely hard like to trade with them. How much risk on $5,000 account? 3 or 5%, 1%. You can start with 2%. So if you want to pass it fast, you can risk like 2%. You're not obligated to risk like 5%, because most likely you're gonna blow your account within like 1 trade. If you lose money on those prop firm, do you lose money too? No. So you're buying like challenge, you pass it. If you pass it, they give you money to manage. Usually it's simulation. Some prop firms like 5 years, they give you like real money to manage. But yeah, like you don't lose money, so you're losing only what you paid for challenge. So prop firm, it's a good way to scale. I never tried Ninja platform, so I cannot tell you. C-Trader or MetaTrader, like 90% of the time I use like MetaTrader, but C-Trader is extremely useful. I just like, because I'm Russian, I live in Russia, and I'm not obligated to use app. So prop firms that allows me to trade with C-Trader, I trade swing trades, and I want to be able to close or like move positions when I don't have access to my laptop or like my PC. Hello, guy with nicknames that I cannot read. 2-1 risk reward. Like you can do like 1 to 2, like it's all depends, but 1 to 2 is like nice risk reward. The most important is that you should stick to 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 risk reward. My best performance account that I had, it had like 92% win rate. I had this account for 3 or 4 months, 92% win rate, and my average risk reward was 1.08 or like 1.1 risk reward on this account. With 1 to 1, you just don't have room to fail. That's simple. Which fund and account you use in 5 years? Fund and peeps, fund it next. The problem is, like, I'm Russian and I'm extremely like limited. I used to have FTMO, I used to have some other prop firm, I don't remember name. Top Step or something. Oh, Wanda, yeah, Wanda, but which or you swing trade, so you hold it for a couple. No, I don't swing trade. Swing trade are only on crypto and on gold. I don't swing trade on indexes or on Forex. Due to like crazy political situation in the world, basically. When we have wars, when we have like Trump, like orange man that can say like any shit and market will dump or pump. So no, I don't have it. So what's the trade looking like on the German 40? I also want to trade with you today. Right now we're just like waiting. Pricing consolidation. When pricing consolidation and when it goes like sideways, you just don't trade. You just sit and wait. Like 90% of the time, maybe 95% of the time, in trading you sit and wait. You don't trade. That simple. Hello. So you trade crypto? I've been trading crypto since 2017. So I have a friend who's been trading crypto since 2014. He's a guy who bought Bitcoin at like $20. Like I know like about crypto more than majority of the traders. I can tell you one thing. Right now you just like buy crypto and hold. You don't speculate on it. You don't trade on futures, because 99% of people who trade futures on a long distance, they gonna lose. It's just like statistic. If you're not inside and you don't know like some information, inside information, you're not gonna succeed. Is this real because I'm so poor? How do I start? Is this like what real? Tasha, if you have access, like when I start trading, I've been in medical university. I finished medical universities and I got my residency. I've been working as a doctor, and I didn't switch fully on trading until I started making consistent gains, because in Russia doctors don't make enough. It's like $400 a month as a doctor, and it's like common here. I know it sounds crazy for you, like people who live like anywhere in the world. Doctors make a lot of money because it's a hard education, but it's hard study. It's a lot of years. I spent 9 years in medicine, just like study medicine. Yes, and my salary was like around like $400, even to be honest, even less. My wife, she's a neurologist, and I can show you her paycheck, like for 160 hours of work in a month, plus 4 night shifts. She made more than $450. You should understand, like for rent, we've been paying around like 600 just for rent, without food, without anything. So but trading like helped a lot, and when I made like more than like in one day I made more than like 1 month working in the hospital. After like a few days I just like quit my job, and medicine more like hobby to me right now. Have you used Crypto Fund Trader? If so, what do you think of them? Yes, I use Crypto Fund Trader. They're okay. They have some sketchy moments. They sometimes refusing to pay, but it's like but it was like a long time ago, probably 2 or 3 years ago. I just know a guy who like got problem with him, but he had a big payout, around $3,000 or $4,000. If you will be smart and get payouts after 2-3, like, so you make like 2-3% on a prop firm account, and then you freeze this account. I mean, you don't trade on it, like just open one position with 0.01 lot, just account will looks like active. Then yeah, you're gonna make some profit, and you almost guarantee will get this payout. That's what happened with my account with funny traders. Like why I had problems with them. I've been doing this like for quite some time, so I got like good amount of money from them, like $10,000, maybe $15,000. But then I risked like 1% on a gold trade. I made like 6K on it, like just in one trade. It was a good move. I just like moved my take profit all the way up until I got like $6,800 or so on the trade. I request payout and they refused to pay me. Said that I've been gambling. Imagine you have a history with prop firm for like almost a year, and then been saying you that what the fuck, like you've been gambling. Okay, they asked me like to trade like for 5 more like trades with average profit or lose like 0.5%. I traded more, it's extra 4K. So right now I already like 10 or like 11K for payouts. They again say I'm gambling. They ask me to trade again, thinking I'm gonna breach account. I made even more profit, like it's around like 14 or like 13 or $14,000. And they found a way to breach my account because I opened trade like with less than 2 minutes. Like it was 1 minute 58 seconds between trades, and they breached my account right away and blocked me everywhere. Well, when I went to medical school, because you should understand. So, first of all, I'm from doctor family. For what I know, it's been more than six generations in my family, like who've been like in medicine. I'm talking about like doctors, nurses, but majority like doctors. So it's been for generations. I've been in a hospital, like playing in a hospital with medical tools from like, I don't know, like 3 years, from what I remember. My grandmother, she was chief doctor like of the big hospital. So I don't know, like I didn't see like any other way. In Russia they just changed like payment system like in the middle of my study. So like I was on first year of my education, my study, right, the medical university, and they changed system completely, and salaries started dropping rapidly. So it's okay. Like education, like first of all, medicine helps you to understand. One sec. One sec. Guys, I'm gonna miss like trades because of you. Fuck. One second. Okay. Okay, long here. Блять. So motivation is quite simple. Like so like when you study medicine, you have to learn a lot of information and work with this information. The most important, you have to understand this information, how everything works, right? So let me write down this trade. Also guys, join our Discord group. You can find stream announcements there, like recaps, my trades. Also, if you have questions, you feel free to ask them in our Discord channel. Okay, back to your question. So you have to learn a lot of information and work with this information, understand it and apply it to a specific area, right? And then understand, I'm moving to other fields, right? So like it can be trading, it can be salesman, it can be like any other sphere. I have this knowledge and I have this skill working with information, so it's not a big of a deal. It's why education is so important. Not because like you learn something that is gonna be useful in your profession. It's because you understand how to work with information and also learn your discipline, because you have to learn consistently. But what is the best way to take profit? With 1-to-1, 1-to-2? Hello, Teh. Hello. Do you only trade crypto or other asset classes as well? I invest into crypto. I don't speculate on it. I trade German 40. It's a German index. I trade Nasdaq, S&P 500, Dow Jones. So these three indexes, they're going like they're correlated, so it's the same thing. And I trade also gold, and I trade euro USD. That's it. You don't need like more. Like actually Nasdaq is enough. I trade German 40 because I trade London session. In London session, Nasdaq is not that volatile. Better to trade like something like German 40. Crypto. From technical perspective, crypto is not that great. It's like more volatile because it's less volume here. I've been in the market for 12 years. Do you indicate FFG manually? Not. Some important one, yes. This one is indicated. It's called price action toolkit by Flux Chart. Break and retest? No, I don't trade classic technical analysis. For me, it's a fake. Almost back. What's the best time frame to trade with? High time frames, most likely it will play out. Saying you invest in crypto is a paradox statement. No. Crypto is like investment. You're buying like stock, like stocks, for example, like Apple, Microsoft, right? You invest into this company, but like by buying shares, buying like Sui, Solana, and so on. It's just like tokens, like shares. Same mechanism. You like, yes, of course, your main goal is like to make money. Like same thing, like okay, long-term investment. My main goal to make profit from it. It doesn't matter like what instrument. It doesn't matter. If I see consolidation, look, I've been trading crypto since 2017. Last bull cycle was nice. What is your strategy? Can you elaborate? It's basically, I have like few strategies that I'm using, but most of it's mixed with smart money concept, with price action, and bar analysis. Yesterday GBP was very volatile. What is the reason behind it? News. But what's some reason? You can open calendar. Let's open calendar for yesterday. Probably some elections. I don't know. Like, it was volatile. Okay. What this volatility? What this kind of news will do? Will do for me? How can I make profit of it? How? Will I make profit from it? No. Because it's like, it's in the past. I cannot predict future on some news that already happened, because it's from past. All what I need in the chart. And if like I'm invest in something, if I invest in company like Palantir, I've been saying Palantir for quite some time. It's just like financial report. If you like invest for long term, if you don't speculate, you have to read fundamental. You have to learn fundamental analysis. Which Flux Chart indicator? Price section, SFX Algo for beginners. This one. It shows you where to enter, where to exit. Nice indicator. What do you think about take 2 after GTA comes out? What do you mean? Shao vlog, I don't understand what you mean. Bro, what do you think about binary trading? I don't think anything. I don't trade it. I like binary trading. It's like what? Because there are like new how it calls new names for future of the Forex stock. No. It's basically options. I don't like I trade like classic, like no. I've been trading like options, like an American stocks, like American type of options on American stock market. But now I'm not I can't trade it because I'm Russian, because of sanctions. I'm Russian. How I mean, like it's pre-recorded if I answer your questions live? How the fuck it can be pre-recorded? And you can open German 40 index, German index, SFD, and you will see same numbers in real time. How it can be pre-recorded? I don't understand. Okay. What software is this? It's indicator. Indicator calls SFX Algo by Flux Chart. I didn't get the name of the Flux chart. You can check link below. You can find all information there. All information can be found in link below. Okay, good. $100 on one account. I don't know if you skip my question or I keep on returning late. Is this boring for you? How long you stay? I didn't see it, man. Come on. Is this boring for you? And it's not boring because you can get something new every single time. But 1 second. Yeah, full take profit, guys. So it's right now I trade on small accounts. It's 180 on one account, and like 4 positions on second one. So you can calculate by yourself. Do you see it? Oh, you don't see it. Okay. There you go. So far, it's around like 400, like almost $500. Just like this. Congratulations if you made some profit with me. Let me check. Okay, GP, 1 sec. Do you save your money in Bitcoin? No. I like the most importantly, what you have to understand, you should have like multiple sources of income. And yes, of course I have cash, I have money in crypto. I mean stable coins and cash in real estate. So I have like apartment. I bought like one more apartment recently. I invested in crypto projects, not much, like I don't invest much. And like also GP001, keep in mind I also trade, right? So I trade for money, I trade for living. Even if in position, I prefer like I have to keep my attention on position, and then I'm gonna answer your questions. I'm not obligated to answer questions right away. Because I've been answering questions, I missed entry. This should have been my entry. You should understand, this should have been my entry. Because of open range strategy, we had fake out, closing below, inside of this range, and next target opposite liquidity. Opposite liquidity is top of this range. And instead of making more than 1k, I made 500 profit. But profit. I'm okay with it. But anyway, so I don't save I don't keep money in a Bitcoin. Bitcoin it's extremely volatile. It's not to save keep your money in it. Like what will happen if like government just like shut down like entire crypto? I'm not in Netherlands probably they forbade crypto completely, if I'm not mistaken, in Netherlands or something. So in some European countries you can trade crypto. In Asia crypto is banned completely. So I have a friend from Malaysia, he cannot trade crypto at all. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. SFX Algo by Flux Chart indicator, right? Yes, tech, yes, right. Sorry guys if I'm answering questions not that fast, but I have to write a journal. Like this is let me show you. Yeah, this one. So journal for for April. There you go. This is like two funded accounts, 60k and 20k. I don't know, like if you can see it. Yeah, I send it, but probably if you guys watching me from the phone on vertical stream, you probably cannot see it. But yeah, I send it in chat so you can check it out. So total gain $10,821, 33% gain, average risk 1%, risk reward 29 plus, average time in the trade around 14 minutes. So in this trade, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 minutes. So average time in the trade 14 minutes, 14-15 minutes. There you go, best example. Like you can watch like these videos that people like make crazy gains, but in reality I show you reality here. People who've been watching me for a long time. Yeah, Tunka, I probably cannot send it. I will leave a link in the Discord so you can see. Discord. Yeah. It's linked in Discord and live trading chat. It's my trading journal for like April. please drop link to the Discord. Link down below. Yeah, want to join our community, talk to the sounds of people using Flux Chart indicator, discord.gg Flux Chart. It's in the description. Check it out. SWOT, you ever tried trenching? No, never. How do you control your emotions during volatile situation like trade go against you? Right here, when I open trade, I already accepted that I lost this money. This is a psychological trick that helped me. If like I lost like 2 trades in a row, let's say like I lost 2 trades in a row, I just go for a walk. I play with my dog. I just don't look at charts at all. You just need to accept that losing is part of the game. I had gone out and when I came back TP was hit. What was a quick... yeah. Lamola, I prefer to trade like one-to-one because first you sit in trade like not for a long time. I'm not talking about a New York session. For London session, one-to-one works great. And you just don't worry. You make your profit and you're going away. Like I made like $500 just in 14 minutes, and that's it. I don't need to trade anymore today. I just don't need to trade anymore. Like, why do I need to trade more? It's $500 is just enough. People been trying to like make like fucking millions in one trade and ending up losing. So I have a friend, he's from Boston. He's been trading crypto for like a long time. He's been mining Bitcoin like back in the days, and he's still poor. So in the last bull cycle, guy made like over $400,000 in a trade, like by trading crypto. And he decided, I told him, like I begged him, just buy fucking like property or something, just buy duplex or something with this money and you will be set for life. So you're gonna basically live on the second floor, on first floor or something, it doesn't matter, and rent out another floor. So you basically cover your expenses completely. And he doesn't have family, he's alone. But the thing is, like it was his way of life. But nah, he decided to short BTC at $62,000, 62,000 with X20. If you remember last bull cycle, BTC pumped till 69k, almost 70k, and then it nuked. So he got liquidated all his like $400,000, and then BTC nuked, and guy lost everything. The funniest part, he made $400,000 from $50, from basically nothing. Then I tried to copy trading with him, to do copy trading on crypto with him. I had like great account It was like 30% profit within like 2 months. And guy like he logged my account and lost like 70% within like 2 hours by fucking gambling. Yeah, sometimes he sends me a screenshot how he made 5, 6, 10k within like couple days by risking a lot from like $20, but then he ended up like asking for gas money or something like this because he's losing everything. So you see, like, you can be good at technical analysis, but if you don't have discipline and you don't have plan, you don't have strategy, not trading strategy, just strategy for your trade, and for trading in general, like what you want to achieve and what you want to do, you end up like losing everything. Is it advisable to enter every trade signals? No. SFX indicator, it's just a tool, right? Yeah, it allows you to it allows you to show the, like, yeah, it spots like great entries, but fuck, how to explain it? Like, it's not only indicator. Like I already said, you have to use like other like confirmations, like trend. You have to follow the trend. You have to see like liquidity sweeps. Also, when it's market opening, like London session, London exchange opening, or like New York exchange opening, specifically on indexes, you have to look at open range. It's super important like nowadays. Look at how like this trade like play out. I could have made a bit like better profit, but overall, there you go. Quick trade. What time frame you use? I use multiple time frames, so it calls like complex analysis. You starting like with monthly time frame all the way down, so it's top down analysis from monthly to like 1 minute to like 1 hour, right? And then you're looking for entries on from 1 to like 50 minutes time frame. Obviously I don't need to check monthly chart like every single day, right? I need to check the 1 month. Weekly, same, like at the beginning of the week, so I usually check chart on a Sunday. Daily, by the end of the day, right? Or like at the beginning of any day, so I open chart, I open daily chart. 4 hours, same, like I don't need to check it often. Like, you guys see me to trading only on 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute time frame. You see me focusing only on when I look for entries, but behind the scenes I'm checking all time frames before I turn on stream, so I'm doing my homework. And hello, Journey, hello. Hello, Supermama, hello. In SFX Algo by Flux Chart. Here guys, there are plenty. Plenty of things you can trade, and majority of people, they just give up in the middle. They're just in the beginning or like when it's close to it. On average, you need like 2-3 years to become profitable in trading. This is also why you shouldn't be greedy. Look at this. Quick one-to-one trade. I took my profit, I walked away. Now, price like went sideways. In 22 minutes, it went sideways. And also beckoning of like binary options, from what I can understand, you have to guess like where price will go within the next like 5, 15, 20 minutes, like 30 minutes, right? I have no idea what price will do within the next like 5 minutes. What if price will consolidate for next like 1 hour? This is like dumbest like thing to guess that we're gonna close bearish within the next like 5 minutes, because I don't know. So it's more like a gamble. And people who promote it like it's more a casino than real trading. Let's keep an eye on Nasdaq for now. If Nasdaq will break above this high, most likely we will